3, 2, 1.
What is Nebraska's nickname? The answer is D. Cornhusker State. What has a body of steel but is not made in a foundry? The answer is A. Car. What is the process by which countries borrow money from each other through currency swaps and repayment at a later date? The answer is C. Currency swap arrangement. Which of these scenarios would result in the ugliest TV screen? The answer is A. A bowl of quartz is emptied on it. How are Presidents Franklin Roosevelt and Theodore Roosevelt related? The answer is B. They were fifth cousins. What is the first digital camera called? The answer is A. Kodak DCS-100. Which invention helped to store and play music records? The answer is A. Phonograph. The following actors all appear on Dollhouse at various times as the characters in parentheses. Which one of these actors never appeared on the TV show Angel? The answer is A. Fran Kranz Topher Brink. What Easter television special, released in 1971, was based on the novel The Easter Bunny That Overslept? The answer is A. Here Comes Peter Cottontail. Two spotted leopards produce a litter of 4 cubs. 3 of the cubs are spotted and 1 is solid black. The black coat is probably what type of trait? The answer is B. Recessive. Approximately how much time does it take for light from the sun to reach the Earth's surface? The answer is A. About 8 minutes. Who is Aristotle's most famous student? The answer is B. Alexander. Which of the following versions of blackjack is most favorable to the player? The answer is C. Single deck game. What Fight Club character utters the line, "Have you ever heard a death rattle"? The answer is B. Marla. Which scientific model could be used to predict the properties of an element? The answer is C. Periodic table. What were the first names of Harry Potter's parents? The answer is B. Lily, James. What travels far and wide, but always remains in one place? The answer is B. River. Which country has the city of Venice? The answer is B. Italy. What is the term for animals that have a backbone? The answer is D. Vertebrates. Who created the scream? The answer is A. Edvard Munch. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? The answer is B. A watch. Reducing the number of molecules in a rigid container causes what to decrease? The answer is D. Pressure. Which film won the most Oscars in 1998? The answer is A. Titanic. Which of the following structures does a frog develop as it changes from a tadpole to an adult frog? The answer is C. Lungs. Which Academy Award-winning film actor married Madonna in 1985 and divorced her in 1989? The answer is D. Sean Penn. What is the smallest continent by total area? The answer is C. Australia. Which fabric is known as the king of fabrics? The answer is A. Silk. On what continent are Queen Maud Land, Wilkes Land, and Marie Byrd Land located? The answer is D. Antarctica. How do molecules react when a gas is heated? The answer is C. They move faster. Kelly Martin, famous for portraying Becca Thatcher in Life Goes On, also played Dr. Lucy Knight on which popular show? The answer is C. In which example does an object move because of the force of gravity? The answer is D. A boy falling from a tree onto the ground. Which book is about a girl who can enter other people's dreams? The answer is B. A Wrinkle in Time. The state of Qatar, an emirate in the Middle East with substantial oil and natural gas deposits, is located on a small peninsula, the Qatari Peninsula. In which of these bodies of water? The answer is C. Persian Gulf. What is the biggest group of animals on the planet? The answer is B. Arthropods. Which language is known as the tongue of the empire? The answer is B. Persian. In a right-angled triangle, if A and B are the lengths of two legs, what is the relationship between A, B, and the hypotenuse C according to the Pythagorean theorem? The answer is A. A 2 plus B2 equals C2. Which sculpture is known as David?
The answer is A. Michelangelo.
What is the term for a vehicle that travels on three wheels? The answer is A. Tricycle. What type of structures are used to conduct a water stream across a valley? The answer is A. Aqueducts. What are the key to species evolving? The answer is C. Mutations. Which country has the highest number of islands? The answer is B. Indonesia. Which vegetable is often associated with the state of Louisiana, USA? The answer is C. Okra. Who wrote Playing for Pizza, The Brethren, and The Street Lawyer? The answer is D. John Grisham. Which item helps us make straight lines or angles?
The answer is B. Protractor.
Which concept describes the ability to understand the intentions, motivation, or desires of others? The answer is A. Empathy. What is the official religion in England? The answer is B. Anglicanism. What is the capital of Mauritania? The answer is C. Nouakchott. What is the largest train in the world? The answer is A. Maglev Shanghai. A student wants to create a drawing of the water cycle. Which image can the student use to represent water cycling through the atmosphere? The answer is A. A cloud. How are hard drives and floppy disks read?